big development in Ohio today in the drug war is Attorney General Mike DeWine filed a major lawsuit against 5 drug manufacturers. Purdue Pharma, Endo Health Solutions, Teva Pharmaceuticals, Johnson & Johnson, Allergan, all major drug makers that make opioid painkillers, which are addictive. And the Attorney General says basically that these companies marketed and sold aggressively their products to doctors and thus to patients without regard to the fact that they were addictive, that they were causing a lot of people to get hooked on drugs and then unfortunately to move on to heroin and fentanyl, and resulting in deaths, crime, and great tumultuous situations in communities throughout the state. So what happens is the Attorney General says, companies, you didn't do your due diligence, you are guilty of consumer fraud, you need to pay the state, and you need to pay consumers back because you did something without due regard to people's care. You were putting profits before people, the Attorney General says, and he says this in a 101-page report, or a lawsuit actually that was filed in the Ross County Common Pleas Court. Now, in case anyone is thinking this is going to be resolved quickly, it won't, because we've got 5 pharmaceutical companies, international companies, very deep pockets, lots of lawyers, and the state has lots of lawyers. This is going to be in court for months, maybe even years. But it is a major step in a state where we lost, as the Dispatch reported recently, 4,100 people to overdose deaths in 2016, and we're on track to lose more. So a major step to try and stop this epidemic, at least stop it at the level of drug manufacturers.